Next one is the next one. I'll continue here. The next one I want to tell you is tools to check backlinks. So what are the tools we use to check backlinks? I personally use only one tool. The tool I use is called as Ahrefs. Now, as of now, I'm not currently using because I don't have subscription. But if I am doing SEO, the only tool I use is Ahrefs. There's no doubt about it. If you want an alternative, not the good one, trust me, it's not a good one. They are good affiliates, but it's not good in service. I don't like the data what they get. It's not that accurate. But openly known secret, Ahrefs is the best. Okay. Second is SEMrush. If you want to waste your time, you can use majestic.com. Again, absolute waste of time. Okay, but they have their own metrics like trust flow and citation flow. Majestic.com, previously called as majestic.seo.com. They bought the domain Majestic. And the last one is moz.com, previously called as SEO Moz. So there is cognitive SEO. There are tons of tools, guys. Few of the tools maybe have direct APIs with each other. Who knows? Okay, and the last one is your Google Search Console. So these are few websites where you can build, but no doubt, no question about it. If you want to check backlinks, seems to be some issue. Yeah, no doubt about it. Ahrefs is the #1 tool on any SEO tool you should be using. Okay, so coming back, guys, now coming to tools to check backlinks. So let me take an example of a client. Say I'll open, you can take any example for that matter. Say I'll search for, sorry?
Homelane.
Homelane, okay, perfect. So you want to check your competitors' backlinks. Yeah. Perfect. So the first tool is Ahrefs, Ahrefs. They have a free version, ahrefs.com/backlink checker. This is the URL. You can use this. No need to sign up also. So I'm going to copy their homepage. So I get a backlinks from the homepage. I can see 6,352 backlinks, domain authority 26, page authority 40. It's a very old site here.
Yeah.
Wow.
But how did they, like 2002, they started only in 2015 or 14?
Maybe someone had bought it and dropped it, but the first history of domain bought was in 2002.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll click on add the domain here, add the URL, click on check domain. I'm not a robot. Now this is the most irritating part. So I'll click verify. So this gives up to 100 only. Now I can see there are 500 domains, 500 website domains giving you 15,000 backlinks. Okay, that doesn't look so natural, but still they are a very big brand. 506 domains are there. They're giving more than 15,000 backlinks. Wow. Okay. So, and you can see their websites here. And you can see there, now you can see the websites who are giving them backlinks also. Wow. Homify is giving, Crunchbase is giving, and no, can you see here? You can see for no follow, which means these links have no value. Okay. So gadgets.ndtv, they got a fund in 2015. They got funded in 2015. Okay, they're in news. So 57 do follow backlinks. You know what is a do follow or follow backlinks, which means they helps you to improve your SEO score. So remaining else, almost 43% is a no follow backlinks, which means it has no impact on your SEO score. So you can see other ones. I can see so many websites. They have so many domains here. Sorry, this is Homify. Sorry. Okay. So you can check it out, guys. Like this, you can check your website links. You can check your competitor links also. Second one is, of course, it's semrush.com. I pretty much use this for showing it to students purpose only. I don't use it for real time because only free account that gives you for free for 10 trials per day without signing up. Now you can check, but keep in mind, guys, every company has their own data and gets updated, but I don't know which one is right. But as far as I know, have tested, this one gives the most accurate and the closest value. When here it gives backlinks. Can you see 45,000 backlinks? Here it's showing only 15,000 backlinks. Okay, so it's showing more than 1.4K domains are giving backlinks. It's showing only 506 domains are giving backlinks. Maybe I may not be doing it right. Maybe it's considering only for this domain. This page they may be considering, whereas this one is going for the complete domain. Okay. So I'm not telling it's right or wrong. I'm just telling you the difference here. So the next one is Moz Link Explorer. To search for Moz Link Explorer. This is the website. Okay, just log in. We have not closed it. So here is where you go to this website. Even they have a backlink, not a most accurate one. I'm not a big fan of them, I never use Moz for checking, definitely not for Moz backlinks. So I'm going to paste it. You get like 10 trials per month. I click on analyze. Now you can see the number of linking domains. 3,000 domains are giving 34.7K backlinks. If you're a paid user, you can export all of that domain backlinks. You can see a very good data about where they're getting backlinks. So that's here. Export is there. You should be a paid user to get an export of full. Okay, so this is the one. Now, and the last one is, I think, Majestic,
do what? Just no.
majestic.com. Sorry.
No, it's like if after exporting, I mean, you just get to read that, is it?
No, we can do so many things with that. I'll come to that, what we can do with that. So similarly,
Okay.
I'll go here, paste it, and I click search. I think these guys will give only one trial per day. Okay, can you see? Trust flow, just like Pay Authority and Domain Authority, they have trust flow and citation flow. Trust flow is the quality of the link coming. Citation flow is the quantity of the link coming. Can you see link quality, link volume? So this should be always high. This shows you're getting good quality backlinks. This, if you have high and this is low, means there's some issue with your backlinks. So again, this is given by Majestic. Trust me, it's a joke. It's a real joke. People who are using Majestic for their off pages here. I think there's a guy called as Matthew Woodward. They trolled this company. Matthew Woodward is like a ninja in SEO actually. Half of the stuff I know about SEO I learned from him only. So that guy trolls this website. It's not so cool. It doesn't give much accurate data. But if you want historical data of backlinks that was there like few years back, how many backlinks, you can go for this one. But accuracy, Ahrefs best. So like this, you can check cognitive SEO. Okay, you can just Google cognitive SEO and you can check it out. Okay, again, I don't think you have to sign up for this. Okay, but this is one tool. Again, not a big fan. Now the last one is Google Search Console. Search Console. So go to Google Search Console. So here, can you see option called as links? In here, you'll be learning this, of course. Google Search Console will be learning. Click on links. You can see there are more than 74 backlinks to this domain. 74 links. You can click on more and you can see who's giving them backlinks also. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Yeah, there you go. Can you see all the websites that are giving backlinks? You can check it out here. Okay. So that is the aspect of tools to check backlinks. Again, Google doesn't update their index to Search Console. Of course, they don't want to show their exact data. It's not so accurate, but any day I will recommend Ahrefs. So these are the tools I will recommend, but as of now, Ahrefs is the best.